Go in a car wash. It's gonna be a human car wash.
Human car wash. I was doing it in my car.
Why not your car?
What's all on my hood, didn't the shit out of it?
It's a free car wash.
Dude, he's right.
Why would you not want that?
Dude, you could did the shit out of my hood.
It's an $8 car wash.
You could be all up on top of it. It's gonna be like my engine. Yeah, right. I've been in if I sit on it.
Dude, I am.
Why don't you just go stand in the middle and just like not in the car? That'd be tight. Like turn it on, like pay, like walk up and pay, and like it says go far, just walk
strip
up.
down and bring a towel off you and just scrub yourself.
What's up? Lame as hell. This is my YouTube video to the entire world. I'm gonna do something very stupid because I want to get 1 million views on this. So if you don't like it, just tell your friends and tell them to watch it because I'm just gonna keep making stupider videos and I'm just gonna keep ruining YouTube.com. Why are you so worried about the cops, man?
Because I don't like cops, dude. I have bad experiences with cops.
Oh, dude, a cat! Hey, go ahead and get the menu. Get the menu.
What y'all getting?
$4.
$4 regular wash?
Yeah.
Quick wash.
Quick wash.
D.
So right now we're testing out the hot foaming pre-soak.
Don't get a faces in the video, alright?
We want to see what the hot soaking pre-soak is. Because if it's really hot, then I'm not sure if I want to really go through with this.
You get your truck washed twice though.
Yeah, I'll get my truck washed really nice.
In the rain.
Oh, there's no underbody, huh, Clark?
Oh, no, so. Alright, let's roll on the window and see what's up.
Dude, don't get all shit in your... Let it get in your truck then put your hand out and touch it. Yeah, I mean, you don't want shit all up in your truck.
Oh, trouble? Please leave name and number.
Oh, sorry. Get in the hood. Turn them off, turn them off.
Oh, what's he doing?
Oh, no. Oh.
It ain't letting me get in.
Go do it, bro. Dude, go, hurry.
Just stand in front of the truck.
Hurry.
You can run out so easily if it hurts, dude.
I'm on the back.
All right, get in the back. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it. Stupid, bro. Shit, move your seat up.
Alright, hold on. Hurry up. He's freaking out, dude. You got enough time? You got enough time?
Move up as much as you can, bro.
Dude.
That's the first thing.
The seat, dude.
Just keep moving as much as you can.
Here we go. I freeze up. Holy crap, dude.
Oh, man, I can't see that.
You can see the video, dude.
Shit, you got 4 minutes left.
Dude, 4 minutes left. You think this could be more than 4 minutes? Dude, you got Oh, we can't turn this off! Don't put too much on your thing wet. Right. You think your water's good?
No, hey. Drive, go.
Good job. Go back. Hey, what the fuck? Go, just keep going down the road. What are you doing? He fucking didn't do it. Oh man. Oh man.
Now kind of sober.
My eyes hurt. Oh my god. My eyes hurt so fucking bad. Oh my god.
Oh, your eyes open.
Oh my god, dude. It stings. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm gonna be serious or not, dude.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm fucking shitting myself, man.
You get a wrist off now.
Dude, oh my god.
Damn, man, hold up. Can't reach.
It scares the fuck.
You in it?
I can't see nothing.
No, it's alright.
I can't even see you.
Let's see the video, it's alright.
Butt crack.
Get down, Nick.
Mom, I love you.
Get down. Stay down, completely. Stay down. If a car pulls
No.
No, you got it, promise. Stay, dude. You alright, dude.
Stop telling me.
It's getting wet.
It's getting wet. Go ahead, dude.
It's alright. Come on, you got it? That's enough of it? Dude, it's alright. Chill out, dude.
Right.
Yeah, be quiet.
Be quiet.
Be quiet. I'm gonna cool it. I don't want to get the camera wet. You ready? I'm cool it.
We already got that, dude.
Alright, should be fine.
Oh my god.
Dude, I promise you're fine. Just don't scream. Tell me to scream.
What's that white stuff all over you?
Wait, is that a cop coming? No. Stop saying that. Dude, I know, but I don't want to. You don't want a cop coming. Stay down still. Okay, you good. It's alright. Alright, chill out. It's alright. Over the truck or there. Stay down still at the truck. Don't get up at the truck. Sorry, he's going. What we got on? What is it doing? Is it doing back there? Oh. Alright, you good, I promise.
Oh shit, no!
You promise.
No!
I'm gonna close the window.
No!
Be quiet, dude. Open the window.
No one's gonna get his camera all wet. Where's he at? Oh, I got it. Oh no! Look out!
Go, can't breathe, go!
I don't know. Go ahead, go. No, go. He's alright.
Go, please, I can't breathe, go!
It was over, dude.
Oh,
free sprints is next.
rinse, bro.
Go fast. Get out of here, dude. Like, seriously, get out of here. We're screaming like real. Stay down.
Any comments?
What?
Any comments?
Honestly, I can't even breathe right now. Like, it knocks the wind out of you, dude. I swear to God, it's hurricane force winds. I'm not even joking. I swear to God.
What category?
Category 7. Oh my God. That's ridiculous. Like, I really cannot breathe. It didn't hurt me, but I could not breathe. Oh my
Dude,
God.
all you had was a spot-free rinse left, dude.
I know.
You should have waited.
Don't ever do this. Oh my God. I fucking hate y'all.
And we paid for it. We got our money's
I know.
worth.
Dude, holy shit. Don't shut the fuck up, alright?
I want to listen to Steel.
I enough of your fucking shit.
This is Steel.
We're going. Oh, fuck.
Nah, that was good.
Why did you just hug me? I don't know. It freaks me out sometimes.
Are you videotaping this? Are you?